What's up? So this will be our birdie today. Ow.
You have to be gentle.
Our birdie Kiwi.
A new bird.
Ow.
Because
We got him today. Get back here. 1 minute. Oh, ow, oh, oh,
Okay.
ow.
Okay.
He left me a lot of bruises. Oh, claw. Alright. And so, he's a lovable bird. He can do tricks. He can go by side, to the side. He's always on the right time. He can even go on my finger. Look. Oh, come on. See, he can go right on my finger. When I want him, I just take him like that, and then he hops right on. And then to put him down, I just put him like that. And then I put him back. So, Kiwi is one of a good bird. He's good at training, and he already knows how to climb his own cage. He can, I know where his butt. I know where his butt is. But I'm not going to tell you because that's secret information. Well, you probably know what end it's on. He put on my mom's laptop. Yes. Which we're using the laptop, he food on it like one time. He's lovable. You can put him to the side, like I said. This guy already knows how to type. I saw him like write F line. Well, whatever. So we're gonna be making more videos of our little lovable birdie.
And tell them too about that snowflake died.
Oh yeah, our old bird. We had a first one like this, but he died. He was pretty old.
Bluebird.
His name was Bluebird, and then we had Sunshine, Snowflake. Sunshine broke her neck, and Snowflake died this Saturday. So then today we thought of it, and then we got ourselves a new budgie. They're all budgies. We're big fans of budgies. Okay. Yo, what's up? What's up? He likes this kind of stuff. Alright, so if you ever want to subscribe, you subscribe to PC Sin, and you'll probably see more videos of him and me and our old bird. We didn't make a video of Snowflake and Sunshine, though.
Yeah, they could see Snowflake and
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Yeah, we didn't. So remember, subscribe. You too.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Right there. I said that for him. So he's a good bird. He actually helps me with my math homework. Just kidding. Just kidding. So we got him today. He's excellent at training. I don't think we even had to train him. Not at all. He can remember if you ever want to.
He's so friendly. I can't get over how friendly this bird is.
You can even go like that.
Oh, he doesn't like that.
Oh shoot! Get back here. There.
He's just so friendly. He doesn't even.
And he looks, and he's really good. Mom.
Oh, okay, sorry. I shouldn't have pet him.
What you made him do?
Okay, come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Just a minute. There we go. So, subscribe. Get it? Subscribe.
Be gentle with him, eh?
Oh my God.
Gentle.
Oh
Okay.
God. Pick him up. All right. So we'll see you another time with little Kiwi. That's right. I'm Kiwi. All right. See ya.